All right, guys, quick walk around the Mercedes GLS 580, one of the most powerful and luxurious full-size SUVs in the world. So up front, you immediately see the unmistakable GLS presence, big, powerful, and elegant. The front has an attractive upscale design with chrome accents and a wide, confident stance that really, sets the tone for what this SUV is all about. So as I move to the side, you can see how clean and balanced the proportions are on this car. So the GLS is one of the few full-size SUVs that look athletic and without ever looking bulky. So long, smooth body lines give it a premium, refined look to it. So these are the AMG multi-spoke wheels and giving the GLS 580 that perfect balance of luxury and sport. And the exterior finish is in the polar white, a clean modern color that really shows off the lines of the GLS. And as I move to the rear, you can see how refined the design is, the sleek LED tail lamps, the wide and planted stance, the smooth contouring, and the overall premium look that really sets this GLS apart. Another thing that sets the car apart is its finish and just how solid the door when you open and close it. How it feels, the materials that they use. This is the macchiato beige leather, and you got the pillow headrest showing you the level of luxury and sophistication that this car has. Again, that very solid feeling door. This one is equipped with the captain's chairs. Have it propped up. I want to show you how the rear seats look in the back. And again, this is a MBUX is standard, the GLS 450. It is an upgrade, but standard on the GLS 580. The car, you have a modern dash layout, the signature digital displays, have a crisp and bright and incredibly responsive, everything's, right in your line of sight and designed to feel like effortless. And here, just want to show you the cup holders. They are adjustable. You can, for greater flexibility, depending on the cups. A little button to release it. There's a wireless charger. Just want to zoom in and show you that. Here you got the fancy hand rest where you have a little touchpad so you could, control the screen. It's also touchscreen as well. And here's where you could actually adjust the height of the vehicle in case you can do some off-roading or maybe need to lower the suspension because you're loading some things on there. And the real magic of the GLS comes from the engineering you don't always see until you actually drive it. So Mercedes spends years working on the ergonomics of these seats, the angles, the support points, the cushioning, density, all designed so that after long drives you feel less tired, not more. So where some SUVs, leave you stiff or drained after a road trip, Mercedes is going to help you feel refreshed. So these are just a couple short reasons why to consider the GLS. I do have this one available. If you would like additional details on this one, check out my video description. Again, my name is Xavier. Thank you for watching.